Hi, so in this video we're going to be looking at strings. Alright, so let me create a simple string here, string 1. Okay, so let me put it as Happy New Year. Alright, so if I say print string 1, okay, I'll be able to print out whatever there is in string 1. Alright, so one of the things about strings is you can do a lot of operations with strings. So for example, if I only wanted a particular character, alright, so for example, if I say print string 1, okay, and I put 0, okay, in square brackets, so that means it is index 0, the first element in the string, so that will be H. Okay, so if I say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, that will be Y. Alright, so let me do that again. Print string 1, okay, element 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, element 4. Okay, so H is 0, A is 1, P is 2, the other P is 3, and then Y is 4. So that's why I get H and then Y. Alright, I can also print out a subset. Okay, so I can say print, okay, string. Alright, I can print from, for example, 0 up to 3. Okay, so when I say 0 colon 3, it will print out starting from index 0, okay, all the way up to 1 less than 3. That means 0, 1, 2. Okay, 0, 1, 2. Okay, so let's run this. Yes, so 0, 1, 2 is HAP. Alright, I can also start from any other index. Okay, so instead of 0 to 3, I can also, for example, print from 2 to 7. That means 2 up to 6. Okay, so this is what you get. Okay, I can also, okay, instead of printing every character, I can increment in maybe numbers of 2. Okay, that means I can put another number here, 2 for example. So I will start from index 2 up to 1 less than 7, but I will increment by 2. Okay, so if I run it now, it will be P, Y, N. So Y, P, Y, N. So starting from index 2, 0, 1, 2, starting from here, then increment by 2. So skip the P and go to Y, and then again skip the dash and go to N. Okay, so that is what this last 2 is doing over here. Alright, now besides this, okay, what else can we do? Okay, we can also do something else, which is addition of strings. For example, I can say print, alright, string 1, okay, or I can just put it this way. I can say okay, let me move it on to another code over here. So let me put it here, string 1 plus, for example, 2025. Okay, so it will say Happy New Year 2025. Alright, now I can also, alright, choose to add a multiplication factor. For example, I can say multiply by 3. Okay, so what will happen, this string will be printed out 3 times. Alright, if I add it here, multiply by 2, then it will be Happy New Year, and 2025 3 times. Alright, so there are things that you can do with strings, a lot of things you can do, alright, in terms of extracting certain parts of the string, multiplying it, okay, skipping characters, and so on. Alright, so this is just an introduction again, just to make sure you understand, okay, some of the things that we can actually do with strings. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.